Hey guys, this is Jose here. I'm under a truck right now. You guys can see that. And I just repaired a governor on the compressor. Well, not repair it, but replaced it. And once you do that, I would highly recommend that you go and inspect for other air leaks because they will come up. As I can tell here, I already repaired the governor, and look what kind of action we have going on here. I spray water. Got a little bit of bubble there, but I'm more concerned with this bubble. So here, check this out. So this will be my next recommendation for the customer to replace this. And if we're gonna go ahead and replace this, we might as well replace 1, 2, and 3, just to be on the safe side. Because you see that one's already given out. And I tried out the truck right now. The truck was at 120 psi. Let me look around for other leaks real quick. See if we have any other leaks over here that we might be able to find. There's our new governor. And we're good. Okay, so now let's go hop back in the truck. And let's see what our air tanks are at. Air tanks are still there at 120 where we left them at. Well, actually they dropped a little bit. If you can see, it was right at the amber line. It was literally at the second line there, so it's going to begin to drop a little bit, but that's fine. Okay, so this is what happens after you repair an air leak.